The Hoveton Restoration Project is a true example of what happens when the fragile balance of nature is damaged and what it takes to put it right for the future. Up until the 1900s, the waters of the Broads were clear all year round. Beneath the water, you would have seen rich wildlife with diverse water plants, healthy fish communities, and a wealth of aquatic life. Over the next 100 years, as human populations grew, nutrients from sewage and agriculture started entering the rivers and the Broads. The change in the lake habitat was dramatic. At first, some plants thrived, with those plants able to exploit the nutrients, outcompeting other species. As nutrient levels continued to increase, algae took over, turning the water a murky green colour, blocking sunlight from reaching the water plants. The bottom of the Broads became covered in a thick layer of fine, jelly-like sediment as algal blooms died off. Underwater communities of snails, insects and daphnia suffered as the shelter and food offered by aquatic plants died away. Without this shelter, the algae-eating daphnia grew smaller in size. Roach and bream started to dominate the waters, whilst numbers of tench, rudd and pike dwindled, unbalancing the Broads fish community. However, thanks to decades of improvements in sewage treatment and farming practices, it is now possible to take steps to restore the Broads. The project is using innovative techniques to bring Hoveton Great Broad back to its former glory. The first step of the project was to remove the soft, nutrient-rich sediment, returning the Broad to its former depth. This sediment was pumped and contained in tubes that, when full, were used to create new fen habitat, which will support a wealth of valuable wildlife. Stage 2 of the project involves biomanipulation, which means adding or removing a species to change the environment, allowing us to restore the delicate balance of nature for the benefit of all species. We will be moving over 75% of the fish into the River Bure and temporarily preventing their return using specially designed barriers. This will give underwater plants and insects time to grow and recover. With predators removed, the daphnia will flourish in size and numbers, allowing them to boost the work of the project by creating crystal clear water. This should be achieved in months, returning light to the bed of the Broad once more, allowing a wide variety of water plants to grow again. These new water plants will help stabilise the Broad by absorbing nutrients and providing habitat and food for a diverse wildlife community to re-establish. Throughout the project, the recovery of the Broad's wildlife will be constantly monitored. Once the plant population has been given time to re-establish, the biomanipulation barriers will be removed. The legacy of Hoveton Great Broad Restoration Project will be crystal clear water, through which you will see a thriving and vibrant wildlife community, allowing people to connect with and celebrate nature, and bringing joy to visitors for many years to come.